everyone. Today's video is we're unboxing the
S'mores maker.
s'mores maker. Where's your thing?
And then you want to guys test it? You want to see it?
Yeah, let me see. Unbox it.
Okay. I'll just...
This is from Costco. And this is what it looks like. Hold on, baby. Let me see. This is. Okay, go.
This is what it looks like. This is my videoing now. This is where I put my stuff to video.
And then.
Oh, there's a maker. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it.
You can put the marshmallow on there. Okay. Look. This is the box. This is the box. It's pretty good. It's good for the winter though. If you have company coming.
Guys, don't look.
Then you guys can. What's included, Kai?
Huh?
What's that? What's the name on that?
These are
Included with, this is a flameless roaster, serving tray, and 4 skewers. This is the one, yeah. Careful your eyes, Kai. That's sharp.
How many?
That's 4 skewers.
There's 4.
And this is the serving tray. This is the serving tray. This is the one. And this is the flameless roaster.
The
Roller coaster roaster.
Why did you take it out of your mom?
And then now you're gonna assemble it again.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Put the wires through the hole.
Underneath.
And put the wires. I broke off something right here. And look, see?
And this is what it looks like. You put it together.
That's what it looks like all together. And now you can also...
I'm gonna wipe it right here.
You can also take this cover out to clean it.
Just clean it.
And look, there's a heating element. So we're gonna try it right now.
Yeah, okay, now and then you're gonna put all the marshmallow on this side. And the crackers on that side.
Marshmallow here, chocolate here, and then the crackers right here. And these are at the back.
Be careful on that. Like what mommy said. Hold on, I'm gonna get some wipes.
And this comes out. But you still wanted to take it out. Just do it like that. Okay. That stays right there. Put it back together and we're gonna try it. Now I already know this has been already used.
So this is just for example.
Scratch off. This is just for example. This is an example video.
Do you think it's good for the Oreo?
Ooh, yeah, you wanna try it? No, it's not good for the Oreo.
For the Oreo?
Yeah, this is for example how to use it. We're gonna show you right now. See, we're trying it out. There's a plug right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have so many plugs in our house, man. We don't know we don't know which plug to use. Well, these are dangerous.
Really sharp.
Yeah. That's why you gotta call a grown up to do that.
Yeah.
To put in the marshmallow.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 7 years old. If you don't know how to do this, if you don't know how to use this, you can watch this video. It's for just the example.
Put everything here.
Look, this is the kind of marshmallow you need.
The crackers, just for example. Well, we don't have
Crackers.
no, we don't have like
No egg.
we don't have a candy that is. It's supposed to be really for this one, but this you can just put like chocolate like this one.
Or if you don't want to do it and you're bored, you can just eat these. Like these. This is what it means. For example.
Like this one.
Yeah.
Where's the crackers then? I told you put.
And guys, you can use any crackers you want, as long as they're not soft. Like they're supposed to be hard, like these crackers.
You put the marshmallow on this side.
Ah! Oh, I lost it. On that side. We have more marshmallows.
No, wala kasi. This side.
Marshmallow.
Let's throw it away. That.
Just take a skewer, get a marshmallow, and poke it in the bottom right here. Make sure it goes through like that, the other side. And then you, sorry, but my dad is like listening to songs.
Put the crackers there. It's really good if you use the.
I'm sorry, the listening background, my dad's.
It's really good if you use the crackers. Oh gosh, put that in honey.
With some chocolate and
This is just for example. But
marshmallow.
this is just an example. We're not gonna. And then this is what we're gonna do.
You just gotta turn it on like that. Just wait for it to get red.
Wait for it.
Yeah, but yeah, while that.
Okay, sit down,
But
Kaka.
I'm a little Elmer. Let's see. This is out of the video. You like our background? We have a Christmas tree. That's beautiful. We've been using this.
So this is gonna be what look like. Don't touch, Kaka. This
This
is what gonna be what look like, and you put everything like on the side. See, that's what they call
And then that's gonna turn red.
chocolate,
Yeah.
marshmallow,
Crackers.
crackers,
The tongs.
and then right here, there's the skewers.
Oh, I thought it was tongs. Put the
And
camera
then
right there.
you do like this.
There we go. And we just wait for it. Yay. While that, you want to play a game? Why is it flying? Throw the box in the window.
We have to
No,
put
that's not a game.
like this one like that.
Oh yeah,
But this is for outside, huh? This is just not for inside.
mommy,
We're just like
mommy.
we're just like pretending. We're just like pretending because this is not inside, it's for outside. So we're just pretending doing like this until it brown. Then when this one brown, it means it's ready. Then you can either put the chocolates, like there are different kind of chocolate. Well,
Well,
there's another like we call it square. We have that in the refrigerator, square chocolate. If you want, but I just don't like chocolates, so sorry. No chocolate for me.
you can use Hershey's.
And then I use like Philippine crackers, guys. Guys.
What?
This is you can use, so just pretend until it gets so brown, and then if it is brown and it's just ready to eat, you put this in between the crackers, or either you put like the chocolate, the square chocolate you want. So yeah, just pretending like, because we're inside the house right now, we cannot turn it on. Yeah.
Hey, you can use this in the whole. You can only
Just like that. You can just put it like this until it brown. See? So we will be making a video this tonight outside the backyard tonight, guys. So let's see if it is.
It's not even hot. You pretend.
Yeah. Let's
Ow,
pretend
the
it. So we're
Hershey.
just gonna put this in here, and we're gonna do this tonight. Let's see what happened. And if you guys like this video, please comment. You comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you in the next video, guys. Don't forget.
Bye.